How to use Student Portal and L Drive. Hi guys, it is time to learn more about the most important informational sources that you will use on a daily basis. Student Portal and L Drive. Together, write mykimep.kz. Enter your ID and password. Remember, at this point, your password is the same as your ID. First of all, on the left side, you will see a lot of tabs: Study, Finances, Forums, Personal Info, and Campus Life. Study section. You can register for courses, check your schedule, see assessment scores, attendance, and final grades. Finances section. You may check tuition fees, view payment reports, use the tuition calculator, check bank requisites. Forms section. You can access and submit various forms, use a small gear icon to open and submit different requests. Personal info section. You can check and update your contact info, download your photo and state ID. Most importantly, change your password for the Student Portal. Campus Life section. You can learn more about student life, explore the KIMEP Student Association, view the KIMEP event calendar, check sports activities, discover student organization, update your student achievements. Academic calendar, located on the right side. It shows registration dates, start and end of classes, holidays, exams. Dates are color-coded and a description is offered below the calendar. L Drive icon, located top right corner. L Drive is a place where instructor posts all teaching materials about the course, including lecture note and syllabus. Here is what to do. First of all, find your instructor, choose your course, open and read the syllabus. The syllabus includes course description, assessment scheme, rules and policies, course outline, required textbooks, homework descriptions and deadlines.